My name is Angela. So our experience with Villa Landscapes was extremely positive, and I would highly recommend it to others looking for landscaping. Our experience started with Lonny with the initial design. He had great ideas. He was really mindful of the budget that we had set forth with him. We always joked it was kind of an unusable space. We had a backyard that was just really overgrown with shrubs and random plants, and he turned it into this beautiful area where we now have this patio where we have multiple different seating configurations, and we have a beautiful fire pit area and space for our children to play. So I really feel like the landscape team in general turned our backyard into really a dream for us, because it was really unusable space. The crew that was here, they were courteous. Lonny stepped in and checked in on the project almost daily, I think, or multiple times even in some cases. So in general, we were just really pleased with the entire process start to finish, and we absolutely used this space even more than we had initially anticipated.